what it is, kids. Welcome back to the High School Home Study Program Home Video Tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about a groovy process called osmoregulation, a negative feedback loop used for your body to regulate osmosis. But before we can boogie down on osmoregulation, we need to talk about something quite radical called homeostasis. Homeostasis is a process that your body does without you even thinking about it. It helps regulate your organ systems in response to stimuli to make sure it doesn't melt from the inside. Far out! Now, how does this work exactly? Well, our body has its own system to keep track of stimuli. You see, the brain has two systems of receiving and management. Osmoreceptors are like control centers. In your brain, they detect saline and water content in your blood. Due to osmosis, the passive transfer of water and the subsequent diffusion of solutes in your blood. If neither is in equilibrium, then your body starts tripping, and your hypothalamus releases a hormone called ADH, as well as others, to allow the body to signal the requirement of water, which is recognized as thirst. Because Osmorog, the impending demand. This is Susie. Say hi to Susie. Susie hasn't had water all day. Right now, inside her body, her blood is hypotonic, meaning there is more water outside the blood cells than there is inside. This is a concentrated solution. ADH is released, which signals thirst in your brain and allows for the removal of excess salt. But wait, cool cats. What happens when you have low salinity in your blood? Well, along with sifting out salt in your blood when there's too much of it, your kidneys also excrete more water when it needs to. This process is completed by urination. Ew, gag me with a spoon. This, along with inhibiting ADH, allows for complete osmoregulation and allows for good vibes. This is Robert. Say hi to Robert. Robert has been drinking too much distilled water and not eating enough saline food. Robert's blood is hypertonic. There is more water inside the blood cells than outside. This is a diluted solution. In this instance, ADH release is stopped and his blood starts filtering out the excess water through his kidneys. Isn't this slammin'? When it needs to, your body tells excess solute to keep stepping and allows tubular amounts of water to jam with your blood, just like when our president, Richard Nixon, reopened China to America. Right on! Now you know about the nifty process of osmoregulation and about the funky world of homeostasis. Thank you for coming with us on this amazing journey to discover more about your body. Remember, kids, Osmorog is watching.